All right, good afternoon. 36th District Court is now in session. I'm Judge Shannon A. Holmes, and I am serving as the presiding judge. I am ready on my 1:30 docket. Are the parties ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Mr. Hermes, you are here today for Mr. Al-Azam. Didn't I swear you in earlier today?
Yes, you did, Your Honor. Good afternoon to you.
All right. Good afternoon. And so, Mr. Hermes, you know that you must interpret the words as spoken by the parties in today's proceedings, and you must do it completely and accurately without any additions or deletions. So help you God. Do you swear?
I do, Your Honor.
All right. Very good. State your name as well as your qualifications.
Sure. Joseph Hermes, qualified court interpreter in the Arabic language to assist Mr. Rasul Al-Azam.
All right, thank you. Attorney Griffin, are we ready? And prosecutors, are we ready? I have a city prosecutor in the office, and I have a Wayne County prosecutor on this in the virtual courtroom. Are we ready to proceed with my 1:30 docket? It's 1:51.
Your Honor, I just need to ask the prosecutor a question. I had sent a message to Rosenthal, but I believe we have a different prosecutor.
Rosenthal's not in for this afternoon. And so we have Attorney Goss. And so do you have a number to be able to contact him?
No, if they could put it in the chat, I'll call him right now.
Okay, why don't I give him your number? Is that okay?
That is okay, Your Honor. And just to let you know, we do have an officer for another case, but that client, I believe it would be my client, has not appeared yet. So it's just two matters.
All right, very good. Ms. Mack, if you could give Attorney Goss Mr. Griffin's telephone number, that would be great.
Actually, Your Honor, if Mr. Griffin has seen the paperwork. Did you see the paperwork, Mr. Griffin? Attorney Griffin?
No, if you could just call me. I didn't see the paperwork.
Yes, because I'm getting ready to do my docket. So Ms. Mack, do you have a number to give?
I do not, Judge.
Oh, here. We have a number for Attorney Griffin. All right, here, pass this on for me. Thank you. All right. Are we ready on Mr. Al-Azam? I have case number SX 394-30291. Mr. Hermes.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Joseph Hermes. I'm the interpreter for Mr. Al-Azam, Rasul Al-Azam.
All right, I'm ready for you to interpret, counsel. If you could place your appearance on the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Max Manugian, P76341, appearing on behalf of Rasul Al-Azam.
طلبت القاضية من المحامي اسمه ماكس مانوجيان هو الممثل عنك سيد رسول.
All right. Today is the date scheduled for a pre-trial for Mr. Al-Azam. Counsel, how are we proceeding?
اليوم هو موعد جلسة قبل المحاكمة للسيد العزام وتطلب من المحامي كيف تريد نبدأ بالقضية نتطرق عليها اليوم.
Your Honor, I see that Ms. Cole is here from the state prosecutor's office. If I may have a breakout room with her to discuss this case.
إذا ممكن أن أشوف أن المدعية العامة السيدة كول موجودة في الشاشة لو ممكن تضعيني مع غرفة منعزلة معها لحتى أتناقش هذه القضية معها.
Yes, Ms. Wilson, would you please facilitate a breakout room for Attorney Cole and Attorney Manugian? Thank you. Attorney Griffin. Are we ready on Mr. Arrington?
Your Honor, that's the matter that I'm speaking with the prosecutor on right now. But we can, if you want, we can call the other matter.
What other matter?
the one that's scheduled for trial, the one that Croxton is here for.
Okay. I have the following case number SP 1233826 counts 1 and 2 for Mr. Kelvin Ambers. Is Mr. Ambers present in the courtroom?
Not to my knowledge, Your Honor.
All right, and Officer Croxton is here.
Good morning, Judge.
Uh-oh, we have a
Corporal
bad
Croxton,
connection.
Triple Police Officer 665. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on, Judge. Let me try and come back.
No, you're good. I can hear you now. State your name for me and your badge number.
Corporal Eric Croxton, Detroit Police Officer, badge 665.
All right, thank you, and good afternoon to you, sir.
Good afternoon, Judge. Good to see you.
Good to see you as well. I'm satisfied that I've given Kelvin Ambers ample time to appear. I'm going to issue a capias with respect to these matters. They're scheduled for trial. I'm going to place the bond at $50 cash or surety as to each matter. Anything else for my consideration?
No, I'm just putting on the record. I have no information about why the defendant has not appeared. He hasn't contacted me. I don't have any, I didn't receive any information from him regarding today.
All right, thank you. Thank you, officer. Be safe, and thank you for appearing.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day, you and your staff.
You too. All right, are we ready on Mr. Arrington?
Your Honor, can I get in the breakout room with Officer Procala for 1 second?
This what I want. Yes, y'all can go into breakout rooms, but this is what I want everybody to know. My docket starts at 1:30. I come on a few minutes later to give you all an opportunity, but you can't come in my courtroom at 1:40. And then now we have things to do because my work doesn't stop when I get off this bench. Ms. Wilson, place whoever needs to go into a breakout room, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't see an officer. You're very welcome. I don't have him on my docket, do I? Who is that? Mr. Alarcon. Sir, who just dialed in. Oh, he's connecting still. I need you to stamp this one for me. The one I just, Mr. Ambers, I had that file up here. For the gentleman who just dialed in, he's not, Miss Wilson, he's not connected to audio, so I don't know if he could hear us. But you need to call the courtroom, and so maybe you could chat him because he's not on my docket. She got it all going on, huh? So she's got cocaine and heroin.
Your Honor. We ready on Arrington.
All right, let's do it.
He's in the breakout room with the attorney.
Oh. Counsel, are you already on Mr. Alazam's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, while we're waiting, I'm going to recall P1231119. Oh, no, I'm sorry, wrong case. I'm recalling X 3943029. Counsels, let me have you place your appearance on the record, starting with the people.
For the record, may it please the court, Paula Cole, P31888 on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Max Manugian, P76341, appearing on behalf of Rasul Alazam.
All right, Mr. Hermes, unmute for me, and then if you could interpret so we make sure that the defendant is informed at all times.
You're right. Sorry, Your Honor. سيد رسول كانت السيدة بولا كول هي المدعية العامة وماكس مانوجيان هو المحامي تبعك.
نعم.
Yes.
Thank you. And Mr. Alazam, please state your full name for the record.
سيد العزام قول اسمك الكامل للمحكمة.
رسول RASUL العزام ALAZAM.
رسول العزام.
Thank you. All right, counsels, how are we proceeding today?
كيف راح نتقدم نتطرق بالقضية اليوم؟
Your Honor, I had a chance to review the ticket and discuss this matter with Mr. Manugian, and I'm satisfied that the ticket can be dismissed at this time.
أنا صار عندي مجال أتناقش الموضوع مع السيد مانوجيان وراجعته وأنا مستعدة أن نلغي ونسقط المخالفة ضده. راح يلغوها. ده تطلب يلغوها.
All right, thank you. The matter is dismissed without prejudice. Counsel, of course, that's with the stipulation as to probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay,
بتقول thank you.
Sorry, Your Honor. بتقول القضية الحاكمة قررت أنه تلغي القضية وتلغيها من دون أي تحيز وبشرط أنه كان هناك سبب معقول أنه وقفك العسكري أو الشرطي والمحامي مانوجيان قال نعم. Thank you.
Right, thank you. The parties are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Do you have any other matters? Just because I have to go talk with somebody, I'll be away from the desk.
I do not have any other matters unless you have something for Mr. Arrington. That's my only remaining matter. If not, then you're good.
Oh, good. Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you. Take care. All right. Bye-bye, Mr. Alazam. All right. Are we ready on Mr. Arrington?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm proud to say we are ready.
All right. Very good. Let me just make sure. Yes. I have the following matters for Terrence Arrington, SP 123-11191, SP 123-1113, counts 1, 2, and 3. Counsel, your appearance, starting with the people.
May it please the Honorable Court, I'll take off P60162 on behalf of.
All right, thank you. And then for defendant,
Yes, Your Honor. Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. My P number is P77169. Ms. Arrington, state your full name for the record.
Terrence Jarvis Arrington.
thank you and good afternoon, Mr. Arrington.
Good afternoon, Ms. Your Honor. I'm sorry.
All right. All right. So on today, Mr. Arrington is before me for a trial and 3 formal hearings. How are the parties proceeding?
Your Honor, at this time, the city is moving to dismiss this matter because Mr. Anderson has alleged identity theft and he has taken precautions so this matter won't happen.
All right, very good. Then I am dismissing all 4 matters. Thank you for your patience today, Mr. Arrington. Things worked out for you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. I've been here since this morning. I see how long your day been, so.
No.
You as well.
He came back. I asked him to come back. He was here this morning, but I asked him to come in the afternoon. So he hasn't been waiting.
And I haven't left this spot either, Mr. Arrington. I didn't
I
even
know,
get to eat
yeah.
lunch.
I was
I'm
here.
sitting right here. I'm gonna take a lunch break no, I have staffing after this, so. Oh, yes, with the stipulation of probable cause, counsel.
Defendant so stipulates, Your Honor.
All right, very good.
Place that Officer Paschal did appear on the side.
All right, very good. And that officer is still on. If that officer wants to come on, turn on their camera and place their appearance on the record, that would be great. There we go.
Ocala badge 530.
All right, thank you so much for being here. The parties are excused.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you.
thank
Thank you, Your
you.
Honor.
That ends the docket.
It does.
Yes, I have 8 minutes to get down upstairs for staffing. Ms. Mack, are we all good? I did reach out to Ms. Daniels. I'm waiting to hear back. And we'll go from there. All
Thank
right,
you.
Mr. Griffin, I have not forgotten about you.
About what you talking about, the text message I sent you?
No, I'm talking about from yesterday. I'm supposed to have a conversation with you.
Oh, no, I feel like
how
how I do it, I just keep calling till someone answers. So,
Go ahead, do it.
right,
I
that's all.
dare you.
Yeah, I'm just
Go
gonna
ahead
keep
and do
calling.
it.
Cause I was
Do
supposed to
it.
be
I
hanging.
dare you.
No, you can triple dog dare me. I'm gonna do it. So it doesn't matter. So,
And I believe him. I believe
oh,
him.
and just for the record, not for the record, but Miss Mack, I told you you wouldn't need my number one day. I'm not gonna say anything else. I told you you would need my number one day.